let me show you how to use Call Toolbox on POCO F8 Pro and POCO F8 Ultra. So if you want to know how to enable or disable the Call Toolbox, we need to go to Settings, scroll down in here and go to Additional Settings, and then we are looking for floating windows. In here we can open the side toolbox where we can find the Call Toolbox, which we can enable or disable in here by tapping on this switcher. When it's enabled, if you are on a call, then we should be able to open the Call Toolbox like this, so we can swipe from the left side towards the middle of the screen, if you have it on the left side, of course. And in here we can find, for example, the interpreter, we can use noise reduction, and we have the fill light option, which I believe is made for video calls, actually. And that is essentially it. We also have some settings in here where we can jump to the same settings as we did just now. But that is pretty much all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.